Meditation is a practice that provides both immediate and long-term benefits. However, there's often a tendency to expect life-changing results overnight. Just like any discipline, be it exercise, learning, or dieting, we can sometimes place excessive pressure on ourselves to return miraculous results immediately. And while it is possible to feel the benefits of a single deep breath and helping to release tension and create focus, the true benefits of meditation are achieved only with dedication and practice. In this meditation, we'll set the intention to create lasting change in our lives, and we'll begin to cultivate a core principle of meditation practice: detachment. Detachment does not mean that we are not invested in our journey. Practicing detachment means trusting the process of meditation to unfold naturally and organically. It's a reminder to let go and let the universe handle the details. So I'd like to invite you to find a comfortable seated position where we won't be disturbed for the next several minutes. Release any tension in your mind and body and allow yourself to relax. And when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a few deep, full breaths. Inhale completely. Exhale slowly and fully. Feel your body relaxing with each exhalation. Now allow your breathing to be natural, easy, effortless. Release any desire to control it and trust in your body to continue this life-giving process for you. On the next exhale, let's shift into setting a few key intentions towards maintaining our meditation practice. For each intention, repeat it softly to yourself and allow it to sink deeply into your awareness. We'll begin with the first intention. I choose to create a meditation routine that fits my life. I choose to create a meditation routine that fits my life. A big part of sustaining any practice is honoring ourselves with the time to achieve our goals. What does that look like for you? Selecting a regular time to meditate will help it to become a habit. Perhaps it's 5 minutes before walking the dog, 10 minutes after lunch, or a few minutes after work. Don't rush to become an Olympic-level meditator overnight. Find a length of time that helps you feel as if you are progressing comfortably and that fits into your lifestyle. Now, take the next few moments to turn this intention into a commitment. Repeat it silently to yourself. I will create a meditation routine that fits my life. Please release this repetition as we continue to our second intention. Every day, I honor myself by creating a quiet space to meditate. Every day, I honor myself by creating a quiet space to meditate. With this intention, we acknowledge the importance of creating space for ourselves. Finding a place where you won't be disturbed and where you can sit comfortably with your eyes closed is essential. Trust that you can silence your phone and the world won't end. Trust your family or roommates to respect any boundaries you set. Disturbances may happen, and that's okay. Deal with them if you need to, and then continue with your practice, but avoid becoming ruffled by interruptions. Let's make this intention a commitment as we repeat it silently to ourselves for a few moments. Every day, I will honor myself by creating a quiet space to meditate. Please release this repetition. And now, our final intention. I let go and release all expectations. I let go and release all expectations. Oftentimes, we place so many expectations on ourselves and get frustrated when we don't meet them. Meditation is not the place for that. It is a time for letting go. Like a snowflake, each meditation will be unique, and it's important not to try and mold it into something it's not. Some of our sessions may feel harder than others, and that's okay. Don't become discouraged if it feels like you're not progressing. You are. Remember to be patient with yourself. The results may be just beneath the surface. Make this commitment to yourself by repeating once again. I will let go and release all expectations. And now simply repeat, I let go. I let go. Continue to repeat the intention silently to yourself. There's no particular speed, rhythm, or pitch. No need to force or concentrate. Whenever your awareness drifts to a thought, sensation, or sound, gently come back to it. I let go. I let go. Let's continue like this for the next few minutes. I'll return when it's time to end our meditation. Enjoy. please release the meditation. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed for a few moments. Embrace the peace and tranquility of detachment. Have the intention to carry this feeling with you back into your day. Let's conclude this meditation by taking a full, deep breath in and slowly let that go. And whenever it feels right for you, allow your eyes to gently float open. Namaste.